Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your very first time stopping in, my name is Felicia and I'm so pleased to have you here today. Now today, this is going to be a collaboration video, and I am collaborating with Courtney at Amethyst Adventures. Now she's a very talented YouTuber, and I'm pretty sure you're going to gain a lot of inspiration from her and all the other fellow YouTubers participating in this collaboration. Now the instructions are very easy. All we had to do was to create a tablescape on any surface, whether it's our dining table, an island, etc. And we could use any color or theme. So without further ado, let's hop right on to creating this tablescape. Now my centerpiece is already set on this table, so we're just going to complete this tablescape together. I'm starting with this pastel blue buffalo check charger, and in this tablescape I am going to be creating 4 place settings. Next, I'm going to be adding these classic white basket weave plates on each setting. To complete this look, I'm adding my Peter Rabbit themed salad plates. For those of you that are visiting my channel for the first time, I have chosen to use a theme for my spring 2023 decorating, and I'm taking my inspiration from the fairy tale storybook, The Tale of Peter Rabbit by Beatrice Potter. To tie this look together, I'm using this blue stemware. I'm also adding this white fringe napkin along with this brown wooden bunny. And it actually, in the bunny ears, you can put place card holders. Isn't that unique? And for my flatware, I have chosen to use silver as my color of choice.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, pink? Who knew that at the brink of the end, life?
I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you much inspiration in your own home decorating. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel out, and this pushes this video out to those that have not found us yet. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.